Hey guys, let's learn about binary trees today. So binaries are the trees which can have at most two nodes for each node. So suppose this is the root node. This root node can have one or two nodes at most, and similarly would be true for each node following it. So suppose this thing is not a binary tree. This would become a graph. But this, as it all the nodes have at most two nodes, this is a binary tree. All right, and the depth of a node, suppose this is n, the depth of this node is the number of nodes when you try to search this one from the root. All right, and this will be excluding n. So the depth will be 2 here, not 3, the depth will be 2. All right, and the height of a binary tree is the maximum depth of any node in the tree. So suppose right here we would have more nodes. Now the height of this binary tree will be 1, 2, and 3. All right, that's the height. The height will be the depth of the node that is maximum. All right, and if you have a binary tree with height h, then you can find the maximum number of nodes that it can have using this formula: 2 to the power h plus 1 whole minus 1. This is the formula. We can erase this, as I already showed you, the power 2 to the power h plus 1 minus 1. So this is how, if you know the height of a tree, you can know how many nodes a tree can have, maximum nodes, right? Now let's discuss traversal of binary trees. Now there are three types of traversal. One is pre-order, in-order, and post-order. So let's see pre-order first. Pre-order is basically you have to display the root first, then the left node, and then the right node. And this will be true for all the subtrees. All right. And for post order, you will first display the left node, then the right node, and then the root node. And for in order, you will, as you can guess it already, you will first display left, then root, then the right node. I will also list this, and you can access this and remember this because this is kind of important in learning the three kinds of traversal that a tree may have. Let's look at an example. So let's see a pre-order traversal. I'll just show you how it can be done. Suppose we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So if you are trying to pre-order traverse this one, you will first display the root. Let's see, I'll write all of them down: pre, post, and in order. All right, so pre-order means that you will first visit root, then left, then right, then left, then right, then left, then right. All right, so the first is the root, which is 1, then left, which is 2, then right, which is, then again basically for each this one also you will again display the left. So again like 4, 5, and then 3, and then 6. All right, and moving on, if you look at the post order, this will be left, then right, then the root. So the leftmost will be this one because this will become the root of this. So left is 4, then right 5, then root 2, and this was the left subtree. Now coming to the right subtree, again the left 6, then right, there's no right, so back to root. Now left and right are done here, left and right subtrees are done, back to root. So this is the post order traversal. Coming to the in order traversal, this will be root, left, and then right. So root, left, and then right, and then left, right, and then again left. So basically root, and then you come down to this left subtree. When you come down to this left subtree, you see that this is 2 is the root. So again this 2, then this right, because this is the root of this subtree, and so on and so forth. So these are the traversals. Let's look at this pseudocode to understand better. So this is the simple pseudocode which is recursive, and in the pre-order, since you display the value, the root first, so that's why you can display the root first, then you can recurse for left, then right. For in order, it is the left, then the root, then the right. So you first need to recurse for each left, then you can print the value of the root, then recurse for each right. So this will make sure that you get the left, root, and the right. All right, and this again becomes easy. For the post order, you will recurse for left, then recurse for right, and then you can print the value. So these are the pseudocodes. These are recursive and you can implement them. It's good to know the implementations of these. All right, I hope you got everything and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.